Mark, how do I claim medical expenses on my income tax?
Okay, so there's sort of a dual calculation. So for a person who's a little bit in the lower income bracket, it's any medical expenses in excess of 3% of their net income. If you're a higher income earner, it's typically any expenses in excess of $2,200.
Okay, so right away we see it's not just for any old expense. You have to have a certain number of expenses grouped together to claim.
Exactly.
Okay, now tell us what kinds of things are eligible.
So typical medical expenses: doctor, medical apparatus, medical labs, orthodontic, dental, physio, massage if they're registered, private health insurance plans, and any prescription drugs, basically.
Mark, what documentation do I need to make a claim for medical expenses?
So you actually need to have a paid receipt, and it's been my experience that a lot of clients lose receipts or misplace them. So what I suggest is at the end of the year, you go to your doctor, ortho, massage therapist, whoever, and ask for a printout of the whole year of all your paid expenses. Then you don't miss any, it's all on one page, and it's nice and simple for Revenue Canada.
And how often is Revenue Canada asking for documentation of medical expenses?
I don't find it that often. I find it sometimes for cosmetic surgery, because only medical cosmetic surgery is now allowable. And the other thing, which is really strange and seems a bit unfair, is that if you have a physically handicapped children or mentally handicapped child, some of the tuition fees may be deductible as medical expenses, and the CRA seems to constantly audit those expenses.
Okay, thank you very much, Mark.
You're welcome.